So hello and welcome to my channel. Previously I've talked about why our mind goes blank whenever we try to speak in English or make a conversation. So today in this video I'm gonna share how to prevent from this problem. So stay tuned till the end. What about the solutions that I'm gonna give? If you work on that, you definitely notice results coming at your way. So most important reason is lack of consistent practice. You have to practice it. There is no way you can learn English language or whatever your language you're learning. There is no way you can learn except practice. You have to practice it. Practice is the most crucial part of language learning or whatever you are learning. Number two is reduce anxiety. How we can do that? You have to talk to yourself. Whatever the situation is, doesn't matter. You have to talk to yourself each and every day. Whatever, it could be a daily routine, it could be your what had just happened with you that day, or maybe other things. But you have to talk to yourself. Number three is make a conversation. First of all, you don't have to worry about the grammar. Whatever the grammar is, just convey your message. What just you wanna say. It doesn't matter whether you are just telling it correct or not. It doesn't matter. You have to speak. That is the most important thing, whether it is correct or not. You have to give yourself exposure to English language. What are we gonna see from today? Whatever you're gonna see, you have to just watch in English, whether it is podcast, whether it is videos, whatever it is. If you follow the steps that I've shared, you will see little improvement and little change in you. I hope you like this video. If you do, make sure you like and subscribe this channel and share as much as possible to your closest friends or family members who just want to learn English. Till then, thank you.